Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Bennington 23 LX Sport that just arrived. Guys, it's got the metallic silver with the luminescence blue accent striping. It's got the nice heavy-duty rub rail integrated into it as well. Also on the Sport, you'll notice that all your nav lights and docking lights are nicely flush integrated into the bow here instead of on the deck. Let's take a look at the back and climb aboard. Looking at the back of the LX Sport, guys, you'll notice that it has the fastback option with the speakers integrated in the back, extended swim deck, ski tow bar, powered by the Yamaha F150 with the stainless steel prop. The fantastic lily pad ladder makes this so easy for boarding out of the water. Let's climb aboard. All right, guys, this is the quad bench layout with benches in all four corners with your side-by-side captain's chairs. Beautiful diamond pressed upholstery with nice stitching, nice luminescence blue piping throughout, nice inlay with cup holders, speakers, USB ports for charging your phone. Let's take a look at the helm. First thing you'll notice is this has the raised helm. Also, this boat has a new Vivid dash. This is going to give you performance numbers. It's going to help you walk through all your systems on the boat, and also has the Simrad depth finder over here on the side. Nice charging port as well. Guys, a lot of interior lights on this, cup holders, speakers, toe kick lighting, standard 10-foot bimini top. For more information, please come by and see us or give us a call. Thank you.